Good evening. We shall talk about the French Constitution of 1958 with amendments through 2008. This is the latest version of the French Constitution of 1958 that we shall start with research and talk on the articles from Article 1 to last article. So let's have the view on the table of contents. Table of contents you can see starts with the preamble, and later on we shall talk about the complete articles that are part of the French Constitution. Title 1 on sovereignty, Title 2 the President of the Republic, Title 3 the government, and Title 4 Parliament. Title 5 on relations between Parliament and the government, means the legislation and the executive authority. Title 6 on treaties and international agreements. Title 7 the Constitutional Council. Title 8 on judicial authority. Title 8 the High Court. Title 9 the High Court. Title 10 on the criminal liability of the government. Title 11 the Government, Social and Environmental Council. Title 11A the Defender of Rights. Title 12 on territorial communities. Title 13 transitional provisions relating to New Caledonia. Title 14 on the French-speaking world and on occasion agreements. And on association agreements. Title 15 on the European Union. Title 16 on amendments to the Constitution. Title 17 Declaration of the Human and Civil Rights of 26 August 1789. And the last topic in the table of contents, Preamble to the Constitution of 27 October 1946, Charter for the Environment. So these are the topics which we are going to start and research. So let's start the topic first, and it is the preamble. The French people solemnly proclaim their attachment to the rights of man and the principles of national sovereignty as defined by the Declaration of 1789, confirmed and complemented by the preamble to the Constitution of 1946, and to the rights and duties as defined in the Charter for the Environment of 2004. Reference to the fraternity solidarity, right to self-determination. By virtue of these principles and that of the self-determination of the people, the Republic offers to the overseas territories which have expressed the will to adhere to them new institutions founded on the common ideal of liberty, equality, and fraternity, and conceived for the purpose of their democratic development. Now, the French Constitution welcomes the new territories, republics that want to adhere in the French territories. They are welcomed and secured by the French Constitution. As you can see in the first part, the French people, means the people of the France, solemnly proclaim what? Rights of man and the principle of national sovereignty. Means there would be no compromise on the rights of man and national sovereignty, as the Declaration of 1789, confirmed and complemented by the Preamble to the Constitution of 1946. And further on, the rights and duties adopted in the Charter for the Environment of 2004. So now let's start with the article, that is Article 1, General Guarantee of Equality. Means the people shall be throughout the country, throughout the territory, have the equal rights. and equality. Equal rights means the rights of religious, rights of association, freedom of expression, trade, business, and furthermore the rights that are secured by the French Constitution. All the rights are secured by the French Constitution, are governed and regulated by the French Constitution. So let's read the Article 1. Equality regardless of race, type of government, envision equality regardless of religion, separation of church and state, equality regardless of origin. Article 1. France shall be an invisible, secular, democratic, and social republic. It shall ensure the equality of all citizens before the law, without distinction of origin, race, or religion. It shall separate all beliefs. It shall be organized on a decentralized basis. Statutes shall promote equal access by women and men to elective offices and posts as well as to position of professional and social responsibility. Now the article 1 is regarding the equality regarding the each and every right that is secured by the French Constitution. There would be no discrimination on the race, religion, and whatsoever. Everyone has equal rights. Article 1 is the most important and promising part of French Constitution that is neither compromised nor goes unchecked. So in the next part of video we shall start with the title 1 on sovereignty. We are finishing this video at this level, and next video will cover the title 1 and so on. See you in the next video. Goodbye.